So tumwambie leo, we are ready to engage with you on the basis of mutual respect, not with threats, not with blackmail. You must not blackmail us, that if we don't do what you want, that you will go back to the streets. And we want to tell you, even those streets, if you want to go back, nendeni, mutapambana na wenye munapatana nao huko. Mambo ya blackmail waweke kando. La mwisho, we want to tell them, don't tell the Kenyan people that you are not interested in nusu mkate, then you want us to engage behind closed doors. I have spoken to former Vice President Kalonzo Musyoka this morning, and I have told him we have agreed on Wednesday, 11:30 a.m., we shall meet, but we want to meet in a public place like Bomas of Kenya, and we want cameras in that meeting, so that you tell us, and the people of Kenya want to hear what you are coming to transact in that room. So our conditions are 3. No violence, an end to violence. No blackmail, and we want an open engagement on issues that touch on the lives of the Kenyan people.